For the Turkish cast on, you're going to start by creating a slip knot. You just need to leave a tail that's long enough to weave in at the end of your project, so don't worry too much about the length of that. And then pop it on your needle. I'm using a circular needle for this. And then picking up your other needle, you want the slip knot to be on the needle that's at the top. So now you're going to wrap the working yarn around your needles for half as many stitches as you need, because it's going around both needles, so you're going to get double however many wraps you do. So if I wanted to just do 5 stitches, well, 10 stitches an example, so 5 wraps. So I'm going to bring the working yarn under both needles towards me and over the top, and that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I'm going to hold on to this because it's not secure at all and turn the needles over. So I'm ready to knit across these top stitches by sliding out the bottom needle. Now keeping a firm hold of this yarn, I like to knit with my working yarn in my right hand, so I'm going to pass it over, but I'm going to insert my needle ready to knit this first stitch, and then I'm going to pass the working yarn into my right hand just because that's more comfortable for me, and start knitting across these stitches. Now I'm going to slide the cable back through so I've got both my needles together again, and then turn my needles over this way again and slide out the bottom needle once more. So the working yarn should be coming from the bottom needle where we've just knitted those stitches, and we're ready to knit across the top stitches. So we have our slip knot here actually, and we don't need that, so you can just slide that off your needle. And then going into this first stitch on the top, taking your working yarn, and you can now knit across these stitches. Now bring your needle back through again. Now you can see your slip knots over here, so you can just pull on that tail to get rid of it. And if you count your stitches now, you should have how many stitches you need, so I should have 10. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And now to finish this, we just need to knit across both rows again, both sides again. So pulling out the bottom needle, I'm going to knit across the top again. My working yarn's coming from the stitches on the bottom. Then slide my needle back through so the needle tips are together again. And knit across the other side. So sliding out the bottom needle, my working yarn's coming from down here. And knit across these stitches. Now that's the completed Turkish cast on, and you're ready to continue with your pattern.